Hey, what's going on, YouTubians? So anyways, part two. I already started to put in the brackets for the shelf right here up front. And, I put in the light right there. Just a 4-foot LED light. So, makes it pretty bright. And then, like I said, I got my shelf right here. What I'm gonna put on. Oh, look. It'll be something like that. And then next, what I'll do, I'm gonna hang, this work like that. Shit. Oh well. Next, I'm gonna hang that there. For the TV mount, it won't be that high. It'll be a 27-inch TV. And then so we'll mount it here. Right here. And then don't want to wreck that. And then, like I said, I'll eventually put, get 2 cabinets up in here and right here. And then what I'm gonna do is get a countertop probably across here that sticks out a little bit farther, so you can have kind of like a shelf and stuff underneath. And then today my E-racks are coming in, so we'll be putting those in, 4-footers across the top for the bunk bed. And then probably what I'm gonna eventually do too is get some more E-tracks and put them down here, so I can put another bed and get it off the floor a little bit, which would be kind of cool. So then also, we just also got a little 5x7 rug for now. And let's see what else. That's about it for right now. I was just taking a little break. I got that in, and so I'll be right back. All right, back for second part of part 2 of the the build. Actually, I think I'm doing pretty good for myself. So let's check out and see what we got. Yeah, so I got the TV mounted. I don't have this mounted yet. I gotta get some wood screws. Screws I have right now were just metal screws. So got the TV mounted, everything. Like I said, the E-tracks will be coming later, so that'll be part 3. I even stuck down the chair. Got a little heater going right there. Yeah, it's chilly. So, yeah, hope everybody's having a good time. And like I said, this short video. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll make a part 3 still got a lot of work to do. Like I said, still got to put in the E-tracks over here. They should be coming today. And then, what else to do? Oh, I got to get the wood 2x4s. And then I got to get a piece of plywood for the bed topping. And then, like I said, I'm going to order some more E-tracks for the bottom, probably another 4-foot to help probably secure the bikes. And like I said, to put up another bed off the ground. And I don't know, that's about it, I guess. We'll see what else comes up. But for right now, that's what I got. And so, yeah. Signal sucks in here. I may have to move closer to my Wi-Fi just to get it and open the doors in this stupid aluminum cargo shed. But yeah, this is kind of going to be our home away from home, and it's going to be cool when I'm finished. I'm really going to like it. So yeah, but everybody stay safe and have a good rest of the day. And like I always say, walk good.